Murata is unique in the sense that a single company offers such a wide product portfolio.
Here at our booth, we have some of the sensors that are related to medical, automotive, industrial applications.
We have multiple applications here. We are selling the sensor itself, but our customers are then integrating the sensor in different solutions.
The more technology is advanced, we can support our customers and also ultimately their customers and users. Our offering is getting smaller and smarter, which leads to better service in the medical industry.
We have a miniaturized heart here and the heart rate control. We're actually measuring the tiny rotation and acceleration of the heart through the bed foam itself and to the heart rate sensing module here.
This is an opportunity for Murata to really showcase our technology. This is a demonstration of this radio capability in the module in that we're sending video information from one device to another. It provides a wireless connectivity over a great long distance range.
Murata focuses on very high performance and also a very precise solution. There is a huge emphasis in sensors and how you can implement them in vehicles. So what we're showcasing here is our ultrasonic cleaning solution. So it cleans the camera on the top of the lens, and its piezos vibrating at a specific frequency, breaking up the water molecules on the top of the lens. The car outside, we do partner with Hexagon. We are utilizing their algorithm solution with our industry-leading IMU, which is